10 1 crore
1 crore 10 million.
10 million.
1
Very good.
crore 10 million.
1 crore
1 million.
10 lakh.
Very good.
10
So
lakh.
all the answers are covering as what?
10.
Let us check the answer. Let us check the answers. Can you see here? All the answers are 10 in question number 1.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo, question number 2. Place commas. What we have to do? We have to place commas correctly and write the numerals. Numeral means words ma apelu che, numbers ma lakhwanu che. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, girls. So very easy thing. We have to simply write the numbers and place the commas according to the form what is given. Chalo, first, who will read this first number in words?
Sir, can I
Mira Arfa.
Can I Mahdeen?
Mira Arfa is going to read. Mira Arfa. Mira beta read karo.
Yes, sir. 73 lakhs.
Okay.
73 lakhs 75,307.
Lakayi gyu?
Yes, sir.
73 lakh 75,307. That is our first number. What is read? What we read is. Got it? So 73 lakh bolanu. So it is Indian standard system.
Sir,
Yes, sir. It is an Indian system.
Chalo, second question. No need to write. No need to write at present moment. Just understand. It is very easy. આ તમે ઘરે જાતે કરી શકો છો.
okay sir.
Sir, can I
Okay.
Mahdeen?
Marine, go ahead बेटा.
ये पैर बुक में लिखने का है.
Yes, sir. 9 crore 5 lakh 41.
9 crore. Okay, 5 lakh. Sorry, huh? 41. Am I correct now?
Yes, sir.
શું બોલાય છે 9 crore. So 9 will be in the place of crore. Then 5 lakh. So 10 lakh ની place માં કાઈ નથી. So it will be 0. Then 5 lakh will be as 5. Then thousands ની જગ્યા કાઈ નથી. 10,000 and 1,000 માં. So 0, 0. And in 100 place also there is nothing. Directly it is said to be 41. So it is 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, some number C. Who is going to read some number C?
Can I
Imani, Imani Fatima.
Alisha?
Alisha, some number D is yours. Imani Fatima, some number C read karo beta.
Sir, Evil Muskara. Eve Muskara.
I written it.
So can I read Imam now?
Some number C, I am waiting. Imani Fatima, beta, jaldi read karo.
7 crore 52 lakh 21,302.
7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Am I correct now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Muskan read now.
Some number D कोने में आइपु? Some number D कोने आइपु?
Sir, can I give you?
Alisha will read some number D.
Sir, even
8. Sir, 58 million 420 21,300
23,000 છે બેટા.
23,202.
What form is this?
it is an international number system.
Very good. 423,202. Is that clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, Muskan.
Yes,
Some
sir.
number E.
23 lakh 30,010.
23 lakh 30,000
10.
and 10. Am I cleared, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir. You are clear.
Yes, sir.
Let us check the answer. Let us check the answer. 23,000, 23 lakh, 30,010. Check correct? Yes. 58,423,202. Correct. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Correct. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Correct. 73 lakh 75,307. समझ पड़ी गई girls what we did?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
chalo.
sir.
Question number 3. Question number 3 and 4 is one at the same. Question number 2 માં શું કર્યું આપણે? We inserted commas and we just went through with the numbers because the words are written. The
Sir.
name of the numbers was given, right? Now we have to insert commas suitably, question number 3, and we have to write the name and we have to name according to international system.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Your
sir.
voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming to us and not reaching us.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not coming and reaching.
सर ने
Sir, your voice is not reaching to us.
not tell to sir please.
Sir, your screen is not there.
Sir, screen is
Sir,
there,
your
but
screen
your
is
voice
there.
is. Sir,
Yes,
screen
yes,
is
sir. Your
there.
voice is not
Sir,
coming
is
to us.
screen.
Sir, your screen is there,
Sir,
but
your
your
voice
voice
is
is
not
not
coming.
coming. Sir, you tell to us, but
Yes, sir, your voice is not coming.
sir, now
Sir,
has
your
stopped.
voice is not coming. Sir, are you
Sir,
there?
it's rejoining. Wait.
Sir,
Sir,
come
it's
back.
rejoining.
Sir, it's rejoining. Wait, mute your mic.
Yes. Wait.
Hello, girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
So sorry, my network issue is there right here from the class. I don't know what's wrong. I left the meeting and there was an error. I was not able to hear you all. Even my voice was not being reached to your end. Anyways, am I cleared now, everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir, now you are audible.
Okay,
Audible.
beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, bacha. My screen is with you, right? At your end.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My point was in question number 3, we have to insert the commas according to the numbers given, and it should be done for Indian system. Okay? And in question number 2, we have to insert the commas suitably and we have to write in words according to international system. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Question number 3, first sum. Who will read?
Sir, Alina Kolia.
Alina Kolia 875955762. Please help me with placing the commas in between. Chalo.
7 before 7.
Not like that. જો ગમે એવો મોટો નંબર હોય ને, we want to place a commas, no problem in that. But we have to read each place value, place the commas, so that at the end where we reach to the end of the number, that will be our first number. At that time, you will know that what place value you spoke, so that we can easily start to write the word with that place value. Are you getting? For example,
Yes,
73 lakh બોલાય છે, તો તમે 73 lakh સુધી પહોંચ્યા હોય તો તમને ખબર હોય ને કે આ 73 lakh નો નંબર છે. Are you getting? So
Yes.
how to go through? I will read that number once so that you can easily grab that. 267. 1,
267.
10, 100. Before 100, there will be one comma. 1000, 10,000, comma. Lakh, 10, comma.
Comma.
Crore. Are you getting? So what is the number we spoke right here? The last number we spoke is what?
7.
Crore.
Crore. Yes. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Anybody has any doubt how to write how to place the commas and how to read the sum to write the name?
No, sir.
No doubt. Right करना है, लिखना है सर.
बेटा नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ समझ में आया ये क्या कर रहा है, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, समझ में आया सर बेटा?
ओके सर. ओके सर.
8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Got it?
Yes sir, got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, girls. चलो सेकंड सम बोली દીકરી કાંઈ ગઈ જેને મેં ફર્સ્ટ સમ આપ્યો તો? ફર્સ્ટ સમ કોણ આપ્યો તો મેં? આલ્ફા પ્લીઝ હેલ્પ મી વિથ ધ સેકન્ડ સમ બેટા, બીકોઝ ફર્સ્ટ સમ તો સર એક્ઝામ્પલ માં કરી નાખ્યો. You there, Alpha?
Is not there.
Sir, can I Devjani Sakina?
દેવજાની સકીના પ્લીઝ બેટા. દેવજાની સકીના, એક વખતનું નામ લઈ લો એટલે પાછળથી બીજો અવાજ ન આવવો જોઈએ. દેવજાની સકીના, પ્લીઝ રીડ ધ નંબર.
Ones, tens, hundreds.
Ones, tens, hundreds. So between what number we have to place comma?
6 and 2.
Very good. Chalo, then
1,000, 10,000. Between
Okay.
5 and 4.
very good. Then
Then lakh and 10 lakh.
okay, so there is no other number after 10 lakh, right? So what is spoke? What is the last digit place value you spoke?
10 lakh.
10 lakh. So 85 together is 85 lakh.
85 lakh. 46,283.
Very good. So આવડી ગયું ને?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me sir.
Yes.
Sir, there is 59. It is not a 46.
What 59? Some number B કરીએ છો આપણે, some number A નહીં. 85,46,283. Got it?
Yes.
Chalo, next sum.
Yes.
Who is going to help me with the commas?
Muskan.
Muskan, let other get a chance. Any other new face who would like to speak?
Sir, Malik Tahira.
Tahera will answer me. Tahera, sum number C, beta.
Okay, sir. $9 crore.
ओ बच्चा पेला पेला कॉमास तो मुकावा आमने थोड़ी चोंटी पढ़ाई.
Sir, 6, 4 and 0 के बाद.
Not like that. Who will answer me?
Sir, can I repeat?
Sir, can I Mahreen?
Marine, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, sum number C, no?
Yes.
Sir, after 6
સરે
and 4.
પેલા બે સમ એવી રીતે કરાવ્યા છે. Who will answer me? Muskan, please come ahead.
First we have done the ones, tens, hundred. We have put the comma. Then 2 digit after comma. That way we have done the comma.
Okay, so sum number C solve કરો તો ખાલી આપણે કઈ 3 ને 2 ડિજિટ ને એવું ઓળખવાનું છે. What I told, we have to speak the place values. પેલા બે સમ કેવી રીતે કર્યા આપણે?
Sir, 267 comma, 59 comma, 57 comma.
એ છોકરી, I am asking for sum number C.
640 comma.
But બેટા place value બોલવાની છે.
Ones, tens, hundred.
100. So 100 comma between 2 0 there will be comma. આવી રીતે બોલવાનું હોય, મિસ્ટેક ન થાય. Then
1,000, 10,000.
okay. 1,000, 10,000 comma. So it will be between 9 and 0 there will be comma. Then which place value is this?
Lakh, 10 lakh.
Very
comma,
good. Lakh, 10 lakh. Between 2 9 there will be one comma. Then what will be the last number we are having the place value of?
Crore.
કરોડ. તો ખબર પડે ને કે કરોડની પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ છે આ નંબરમાં. So there will be 9 crore. Then then
99 lakh 46.
if there is nothing, બધી પ્લેસ વેલ્યુમાં zeros છે, તો એ zero ને કોઈ ઉલ્લેખ થાય નહીં, કોઈ description હોય નહીં. 9 crore 99 lakh. What is the last 2 digit? It is spoken as 46. So I wrote 46. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no.
Chalo, last sum of question number 3. Who is going to solve this? Sum number D.
Sir, can I? Inshia.
Insia, go ahead, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, ones, tens, and 100 before 100 comma.
Okay, between what number?
2 and 7.
Very good. Chalo, then
Then, sir, after 2 digit comma.
what is the place value? 2 digit comma એ તો મને એક સમજ પડે છે.
Okay, sir.
કરોડ ને 10 કરોડ જાશો ને ત્યારે તમને ખબર જ નહીં પડે કે કરોડ વાળો ફિગર છે, 10 કરોડ વાળો છે કે 10 લાખ વાળો છે.
So after 32,000 comma
between 4 and 3.
આમ બોલાય 1000 and 10,000 between 4 and 3 comma, then lakh 10 lakh between 4 and 9 and 8 comma, 10 lakh 10 lakh બોલાણું પછી crore, so 9 crore, crore ની place માં શું છે 9. So again read this number.
Okay, sir. 9 crore 84,000
84,000
9 crore 84 lakh 32,701
84
lakh
okay
32,000
32,701. Understood the content?
Yes, sir.
This was Indian system. Now tell me the fourth question. Insert comma suitable and write the name according to international system. Now who will help me to read the place values and place the commas accordingly and read the whole answer? Iman, chalo.
Number 4. Insert comma suitable and write the names according to international system of numeration.
Okay.
Number 8.
Yes, beta, read the question number A. $78 crore. Hey, chokri. Have I asked you to read that like that way without placing the commas and without placing the digit to be spoken as a place value? Question number 3 આપણે એવી રીતે કર્યો છે? તમારી કરતા તો બોયઝ ક્લાસ ઘણી હોશિયાર છે, એ પાકી વાત થઈ ગઈ. આ 2 થી 3 લેક્ચરમાં ખબર પડી ગઈ. Because I just completed in the first lecture only, I completed this exercise in boys class. Chalo. Is there any girl who can help me with placing the commas? Before writing the numbers in word, our responsibility is to place comma. Don't you understand that?
Before 0.
Alisa, please. Okay, that girl is giving the answer. Okay, before 0 comma. But what is the place value? Place value to read kar.
100. 1, 10, 100.
Okay. So between 1 and 0 it will be comma. Chalo. એવી રીતે બોલતા આવડે? મોટામાં મગભેરાત કે બોલતા આવડે છે?
આવડે છે બોલતા.
આ તો બોલો, ચલો આગળ બોલો.
Before 2.
Who can give me the answer, beta? ચલે ભાઈ બેટા, તું ઊભી રહે, તું જો હવે શું થાય છે.
સર મુસ્કાન.
મુસ્કાન પેલા કોએ પૂછ્યું તું?
મહેક.
Mahek, go ahead, beta.
921,000 before 9 a comma.
બેટા પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ બોલવાની છે, સમજ પડે છે? રીડ કરતા તો બચ્ચાને આવડે. પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ શું મિસ્ટેક થશે 10 સેકન્ડમાં ખબર નહીં પડે. 1s, 10s, 100, then 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. So according to international system, it will be the comma between 8 and 9, 100,000, then million and 10 million. Nonsense, it is spoken as 10 million. So what to be written as in the first number? 78 million 921,999 92. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
Understand.
Yes, sir. Understand.
चलो सेकंड सम में कोण મને હેલ્પ કરશે કોમા મૂકવામાં? બાય
Sir,
રીડિંગ પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ. મને નંબરનો વર્ડ્સ નથી જોતો, મને પ્લેસ વેલ્યુઝ જોવે છે પહેલા.
Okay, Alicia.
અલીશા ગો હેડ.
Number B. Ones, tens અને hundreds tens ની વચ્ચે કોમા.
100 ને ટેન્સ ની વચ્ચે એટલે અહીંયા કોમા.
ના,
Yeah.
2 અને 2 ની વચ્ચે.
હા તો ઈ 100 ને ટેન્સ કહેવાય કે 1000 and tens 1000 and 100 કહેવાય?
1000 and tens.
1000 and tens કહેવાય?
હા, 100 and ના 100 and thousands. પછી 1000 પછી 10,000 lakh 10,000 અને
લેખ
lakh ની
આવે?
વચ્ચે કોમા.
લેખ હે ઇડિયટ, લેખ આવે ઇન્ટરનેશનલ સિસ્ટમ માં. આ સરે પેલા સમ માં લેખ લખ્યું, 9 લાખ લખ્યું કે 921,000 લખ્યું?
921,000 લખ્યું.
તો 4 લાખ આવે કે 452,000 આવે?
452,000.
So between 7 and 4 there will be comma. Then 7 is what?
Yes.
7 is what?
7 is sorry. 7,045,000.
450. ભાઈ તને નો આવડે તો નો બોલ, ઇટ ઇઝ રોંગ. 1000 ને ગોગડા વાળે તો તું સરખું જોતો ખરી? શું લખ્યું? 7,452,000. Sorry, I missed 1,000. 283. 7,452,283. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
Yes, sir. Yes.
sir,
चलो थर्ड सम.
Muskan.
मुस्कान गो अहेड बेटा.
आयशा.
मुस्कान.
Okay, sir. Ones,
Pass.
tens, 100. 5 1 between.
Very good. चलो then.
1,000, 10,000, 100,000.
Very
9
good.
between 9.
Very nice. चलो then.
Million, 10 million.
So હવે last place value શું બોલાની? 10 million.
10 million.
So 9 is in the place of 10 million and another 9 is in the place of million. So can I say 99 million?
Yes.
So what will be the answer to write the whole number? 99,985,102. લખવું પડશે કે આવડશે?
લખવું પડશે.
લખવું પડશે. તો અહીંયા હવે લખવું નથી સરને, હવે અહીંયા બતાવી દઈ છે. ઓકે, 99,985,102. સમજાઈ ગયું?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ચલો
Yes, sir.
last sum. Who is going to play? Aisha ke Alisha? Who was that girl who was asking me?
Aisha.
Aisha,
Sir,
go ahead. Sum number D.
Yes, sir. After one tens and hundreds between 9 and 8.
Very good, bachcha.
And then 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 between 0 and 4.
0 and 4.
No, sorry, 0 and 8, sorry. 0 and 8.
Very good. Chalo.
And million and 10 million.
Very good. So what was the last place value we spoke for this number? 10 million.
10 million.
So 4 is in 10 million. So 48 million Q.
Yes, sir.
48 million, then there is no 100. So 49,832. Check here. 48 million, 49,831. Am I right?
Yeah.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
With this last sum, we have completed our exercise 1.1. હવે આનો આખો સ્ક્રીનશોટ પાડી લ્યો. આન્સર છે તમારા સપોર્ટમાં. You can check out while you do the sums by your own. Copy નથી કરવાનું, but when you solve this sum, you can check the answers. સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લ્યો બેટા. સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લ્યો.
સર મેં આપણી ફેસબુક માં લખવાનું છે.
Yes. જો હવે લાસ્ટ વખત હું કહીશ આ વર્ષે, હવે આખું વર્ષ આ જ રીતે ફોલો કરવાનું છે. ઘડી ઘડી હું એકે વસ્તુ નહીં કહું, કહી દઉં છું. You all are grown up children. એકની એક વસ્તુ રિપીટ નહીં થાય હવે. Make sure of it. Whatever exercise, whatever number of sums we do in the class has to be done compulsorily in your fair book. In your fair book. Understood? And your homework will be always one time in your rough book. Again, I am repeating, homework will be one time in your rough book. Do you have any doubt with the things what I spoke?
No, sir.
English બધાને સમજાય છે? મને થોડુંક આવડે છે એટલે મેં સમજાવ્યું. ઇંગ્લિશ ન સમજાતો હોય તો બીજી લેંગ્વેજમાં સમજાવી દઉં. હવે આખું વર્ષ તમે સ્કૂલમાં આવો કે તમે ઓનલાઈન ભણશો, મોહમ્મદ સરની મેથડ આ રહેશે અને આ જ ફોલો કરવાની છે. Is that all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Enjoy your rest of the lectures ahead and don't go out without any reason. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice time, girls. Khuda Hafiz.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, bacha. Khuda Hafiz. All of you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, sir.
अलीशा, सर ने बोला था नॉर्मल के बाद लिखना है.
अब किसका लेक्चर है, किसी को पता है?
सोशल साइंस.
बता तो देख लेना.
अलीशा.
फौरन मैम का लेक्चर.
इंशा.
हाँ, यस बोलो ना.
सर ने बोला कि
रुको.
बाद लिखना है ना. ऑनलाइन
दो
के बाद एक्सरसाइज
1.1.
हाँ, वही पीरियड है. सुनो सब अभी